Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about the largest organ. It makes up 16% of your body weight, and it has many functions, including protection, temperature regulation, sensation, vitamin D production, and yes, even helping you to think. So watch till the end, because number 1 might be interesting. Here are 10 functions of the skin. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Let's get into it. Number 10. Protection. The skin protects the body from external threats like bacteria, viruses, chemicals, and UV radiation. This is due to its physical structure. The outermost layer of the skin, the epidermis, is made up of dead cells which act as a barrier against pathogens. These cells are filled with keratin, a protein that provides a tough, waterproof shield. Additionally, the skin's slightly acidic pH helps inhibit bacterial growth. The epidermis also contains immune cells that identify and destroy pathogens before they can cause infection. Finally, the dermis layer of the skin contains specialized receptors that detect harmful stimuli, like extreme temperatures or harmful chemicals, and send signals to the brain to trigger appropriate responses, like sweating in response to heat or releasing oil to protect against UV radiation. Number 9. Temperature regulation. Your skin plays a major role in maintaining your body's internal temperature. When you get too hot, your body sweats to cool down. Sweat evaporates off the skin, which takes energy with it and brings down your body's temperature. In cold weather, your skin helps conserve body heat by constricting blood vessels near the surface of the skin, reducing blood flow and heat loss. Goosebumps, which are tiny bumps that appear on the skin when you're cold, are caused by erector pili muscles contracting, which pulls hair upright to trap a layer of warm air close to the skin. Number 8. Sensation. Your skin contains an abundance of sensory receptors that respond to various stimuli like touch, pressure, pain, temperature, and vibration. These receptors are located in the dermis layer of the skin and are connected to nerves that transmit signals to the brain. For example, when you feel something, like a gentle touch, pressure receptors in your skin are activated, sending signals to your brain that are processed into the sensation of touch. Similarly, nociceptors, which are pain receptors, send signals to your brain when you're exposed to extreme temperatures or sharp objects, allowing you to pull away and avoid further injury. This intricate network of receptors and nerves allows you to perceive and respond to your surroundings. Number 7. Vitamin D production. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D. This process begins when the skin absorbs UVB rays from the sun, which then triggers a series of biochemical reactions resulting in the production of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for many bodily functions, including calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. However, it's important not to overdo sun exposure as excessive. Amounts of UVB radiation can damage DNA and increase the risk of skin cancer. It's recommended to spend around 10 to 30 minutes in the sun for vitamin D production while protecting your skin with sunscreen. Number 6. Excretion. Your skin excretes substances that help eliminate waste from the body. One way this happens is through sweat, which contains water, salt, and other small molecules that are excreted through pores in the skin. Additionally, your skin has several glands that secrete substances that aid in excretion. Sebaceous glands produce sebum, an oily substance that lubricates the skin and prevents water loss, but also excretes small amounts of waste products. Sudoriferous glands produce sweat, which contains water, salt, and urea, and helps regulate body temperature while also excreting waste. Finally, ceruminous glands in your ear canals produce earwax, which contains ear oils and shed skin cells and helps to protect against foreign particles and pathogens. Number 5. Preventing water loss. The skin acts as a barrier to prevent excessive water loss from the body. This is important for maintaining hydration and electrolyte balance. The epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin, contains proteins and lipids that form a tight seal, preventing water molecules from escaping. Additionally, the skin's slightly acidic pH helps maintain the body's optimal hydration levels. If the skin's ability to prevent water loss is compromised, the body may become dehydrated, leading to various health issues. Number 4. Wound healing. Your skin has an amazing ability to heal itself when injured. When you get a cut, your body goes through several processes to repair the damage. Immediately after an injury, your body constricts blood vessels to minimize bleeding. Next, immune cells rush to the area to fight off any potential infections. As time passes, fibroblasts start producing collagen, a protein that helps close the wound. Finally, new skin cells grow to replace the damaged ones, restoring the skin's protective barrier. This incredible healing process is essential for maintaining the skin's integrity and overall health. Number 3. Blood pressure regulation. The skin contains a vast network of blood vessels that play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. When the body gets too hot, the skin dilates blood vessels near the surface, increasing blood flow and releasing heat. This helps lower blood pressure by reducing the amount of blood returning to the heart, allowing it to pump more efficiently. Conversely, when the body is exposed to cold temperatures, the skin constricts blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the extremities and conserving heat. This increases the amount of blood returning to the heart, making it pump harder and raising blood pressure. Number 2. Social signaling. Your skin plays a significant role in social signaling, helping you communicate with others without saying a word. This is because the skin contains various structures that convey information about your emotional state, health, and personal identity. For example, blushing can signal emotions like embarrassment or pleasure, while changes in skin color can indicate emotions like anger or sadness. Additionally, the skin's appearance can signal underlying health conditions like jaundice, which is characterized by a yellowing of the skin and may indicate liver disease. Furthermore, unique features like freckles and moles can serve as identifiers, helping you recognize individuals and establish personal connections. Number 1. Thinking. Yes, you heard that right. Your skin actually helps you think. This might sound surprising, but recent studies have revealed that the skin contains a vast network of sensory receptors that gather information about the environment and transmit it to the brain. This information includes temperature, pressure, pain, and other stimuli. The brain then processes this input, allowing you to make decisions and take actions. Moreover, the skin plays a role in memory formation and retrieval. Sensory experiences like touching a loved one can evoke vivid memories, triggering the release of neurotransmitters that facilitate the formation of new memories. This connection between the skin and the brain highlights the complex interplay between the body and mind. What was the most amazing skin function? Let us know in the comments. Before we wrap up this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Now you have learned about some of the incredible functions of your skin. This amazing organ does so much more than just protect you from the outside world. From regulating your body temperature to helping you think, your skin plays a vital role in keeping you alive and thriving. So take care of your skin and appreciate all that it does for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.